In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your queue on the Spotify app. So once you're on Spotify and you are playing a song, it will tell you what song you're playing at the bottom. If you go ahead and tap on that, it will load up the song details and you can see 3 stripes with a little play button at the bottom right. If you go ahead and tap on that, and that is your queue on your Spotify. Now, since this is a pretty long playlist, the queue is pretty long. But to delete your queue, what you want to do, let's say you want to delete these first 3 songs, you highlight them and then you just tap on remove at the bottom left. Now, if you want to delete the whole queue, you will have to go in and select every single one of them one by one and then tap on remove. So there's no actual way to select all of them at once. So you'll just have to do it one by one. But that is how you would delete your queue on the Spotify app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.